Hello friends, this is Mwana Muluba and welcome to this 28th Kiluba tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to form the past. Let's continue. We can form the past by using the following prefixes. We have na, wa, toi, moi, ba, as seen in the example below. For example, nanena means I said, wanena means you said, wanena means he said, twanena means we said, mwanena means you said, banena means they said. Let's review one more time. Nanena means I said, wanena you said, wanena he said, twanena we said, mwanena you said, banena they said. The following prefixes is used to form the past. Anytime you see the prefixes na, wa, toi, moi, ba at the beginning of the verb, it's usually to indicate the past. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Mwafuriko ni kutala, and we'll see each other in the next video. Shalapo.